Hi, my name's Cheryl Goodlive, and I do go by Cheryl, so that makes it a little bit easier. Really happy to meet everybody in the class. Just to give you an idea a little bit about me, my education, I have a bachelor's degree in political science from the University of Akron. I also have a bachelor's degree in education from Ohio State University. After I moved to Pennsylvania, I live near Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. I got my master's at Shippensburg University in counseling, and I am currently a licensed professional counselor in the state of Pennsylvania. I teach in the Human Services program at Harrisburg Area Community College. I've been with HAC, as it's known here, for 26 years. Prior to teaching in the Human Services program, I was in the counseling department, so doing things like crisis intervention, short-term brief therapy, going to classrooms if students were having a meltdown, things like that, until the counseling department was eliminated at the college. I was fortunate enough then to go into the Human Services program, and I've been teaching in that program now for 2 years. I also have a small private practice in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. I usually only see about 6 clients a week, but it's enough to help me keep my skills current and stay active in the field. Most of my experience, as I say, has been in counseling. I have not done substance abuse counseling, but HAC has asked me to return to school to prepare for a new degree we have starting this fall. We are going to have a degree called Addiction and Recovery Services. Prior to that, our drug and alcohol courses were part of our human services program itself, and students could do the DNA track or the general track. We expect now, with having the individual program in addictions, that the program will grow pretty quickly. We all know that there's quite a need for people in the field of drug and alcohol counseling, and just like many other places, Pennsylvania has been hit hard by the opioid crisis. So that's pretty much why I'm taking this class. In the spring, I'm going to be, I think, teaching comorbidities to associate degree level students. I've not really studied a whole lot about this, so I'm anxious to learn more about it. As I go through this certificate, I realize too I'm preparing for more classes, so I'm really looking forward to learning more. I already have 2 classes under my belt. This is my 2nd semester doing this. As far as interesting things about me, I'm originally from Northeast Ohio by way of Michigan, and then in Pennsylvania. I've been in Pennsylvania now almost 30 years. My husband and I have 2 grown children and 3 grandchildren. So unfortunately, they all live out of state, so we don't get to spend a lot of time with them. But of course, they're still important to us. One of the things we like to do in our leisure time, we do like to attend baseball games. We've been to a lot of different stadiums in the area. We also try to visit as many minor league parks and independent league parks as we can. The other thing we enjoy doing is music festivals, especially jazz and blues. And we have traveled as far as California and Rhode Island to be a part of some of the festivals. They're a lot of fun for us. So I'm looking forward to getting to know people and learning more in this class.